Special occasions. Let's see how people celebrate special occasions. Mary is celebrating her 16th birthday. She is blowing out the candles on her special birthday cake her granny has made for her. Mary is receiving a gift with a huge bow on its box from her brother. Father is taking pictures of Mary and her brother. Mother is going to make a toast to her lovely daughter. Everybody is happy to eat the special birthday cake and have a great party. Blow out candles. Receive gifts. Eat a special cake. Take pictures. Make a toast. Idioms with cake. Selling like hotcakes. The icing on the cake. Be a piece of cake. Have her cake and eat it. Take the cake. Anne is preparing for Christmas. She is decorating the Christmas tree. There are some Christmas cards for her family and friends on the fireplace. The doorbell is ringing. Anne opens the door and sees her friends who are singing Christmas carols. Anne and her friends are in the center of the lovely decorated Christmas room. They are exchanging gifts. Even Tom, Anne's cat, has received a present. What is it? Oh, it's a toy mouse with a long tail. Tom is excited and enthusiastic about it. Anne and her friends are at the Christmas table. They are going to eat a special Christmas meal. Decorate the Christmas tree. Sing carols. Exchange gifts. Eat a special meal. Look, we are at the carnival. Young girls and boys are dressed up in colorful costumes. They are taking part in a street parade. They are wearing different masks of emotions, showing how they may feel. Excited, nervous, thrilled, enthusiastic, surprised, impatient. It is so much fun to watch the participants throwing streamers in the air. It's a really spectacular view, carnival of emotions. Dress up. Wear masks. Street parades. Throw streamers. Make your life full of pleasant moments, special occasions, and positive emotions.